熊大金，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双截棍呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。
天哪，我们就要去捉鸡了！
小鸡们，你们可要小心了！
我们是小鸡不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
哼，看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快快快，演出开始啦！快点快点！
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the circus show. Please take your seats.
Show yourself on the stage?
Whoa, Dudette! Youth is a time of serious challenge, so I want to challenge my limits and then surpass them.
Are you sure about that, free range? It looks like it's gonna be a real fierce competition with all the participants.
Put your hands together for our first contestant. You're gonna be bedazzled when you find out who it is. Now, Mr. Elephant is a very fine young bachelor. He likes long walks on the beach, and he is an amazing tap dancer. Let's all enjoy, shall we? Mr. Elephant, are you ready?
Oh, no!
Oh,
I hate mouse! Get it away!
This is unbelievable! The elephant has completely lost its mind and is trampling on my host partner! The humanity! Absolutely insane!
Due to technical difficulties, we'll be back after this message.
If you're happy and you know a drink is Zeb. If you're happy and you know a drink is Zeb. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, drink a zebra cola, yeah, drink a Zeb.
Zebra Cola, awesomeness in a bottle! Yeah!
welcome back, everybody. Don't worry about that last skip. Moving on, we got a new contestant now. Contestant number 2, a voice imitating expert, Miss Perry. Now this is impressive. Okay, moving on, contestant number 3, Mrs. Hedgehog and her comedy skits. Welcome to the stage.
Hello, everybody.
Wait, Mrs. Hedgehog. Judge's ruling?
It was impressive. I think she did a good job.
Yes, her performance was short and concise.
Wow, you speak very highly of her, but we have more contestants to see.
You are correct, sir.
How disappointing!
I could have done better than
All
her.
right, moving on. We got our next contestant, Mr. Camel.
And on deck, fabulous free range.
Right, I'll go get ready.
Come on, free range!
I'm not sure what free range is gonna perform for us, but I'm pretty sure it's a kung fu show.
You're gonna be surprised, because it's not a kung fu show, it's belly belly dancing.
Are you kidding me, small fry? Oh, I bet I can do a great belly dance with my big belly.
The only thing your belly is good for is wobbling like jelly.
So they always talk about camels being able to travel 500 miles without water, but they never mention how fast they can travel with water.
Are you sure you know that Free Range is going to perform belly dance?
Of course I do. It was announced over the loudspeaker. I wonder how that kung fu freak is gonna dance with 2 left feet.
Hey, Slim, should I join the contest too? You know, I'm a pretty good dancer myself.
Why did the
Listen,
camel
Glutton,
cross
we're
the
not here to
road?
dance. We're
Because
here
he
to
left
catch
us-
chickens, you hear me?
Okay. What are we gonna do now?
Wherever the
this
chickens
thing
go,
on?
we go.
But with all eyes on stage, how are we gonna get Free Range?
And
Don't
the
worry
server
about
says
that.
to him,
I'll
"Hey,
take care of
can I
it.
get you
You're
guys
free.
something to
Come on,
drink?"
Glutton, let's
And they're
go.
like,
Okay.
No, we're camels.
Wow, this is a really big show.
Hey, Slim, and Gina Jolie's over there.
Where is she?
And look over there, there's Brass Spit.
Really? Where's he?
Slim, it's Guardian from the Kung Fu Masters of the Zodiac.
Wow, I'm his biggest fan.
Wow, and Velma's over there.
Wow, she looks more beautiful than she is on the screen.
Over there. Over there.
Oh,
Over here.
wow.
Over here.
Wow.
No.
You moron! We're not here to chase stars. We're on a
But
mission.
we're no match for Free Range's Kung Fu.
Keep your chin up. Where there's a will, there's a way. Hey, it's Free Range. Let's get him, Glutton.
Right.
Oh, well.
Hey, Mr. Slim, do you know that there's a big sale up ahead?
Oh, really?
Do you like mushrooms?
Wow, give me an autograph.
Somebody! You don't hate me because I'm beautiful.
Well, that's it, Camel Jones. Let's welcome Free Range. He's going to perform a belly dance for us.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Free Range, and I'm going to do a belly dance. And I hope you like it.
Hey, cut the chit-chat.
Be quiet.
Hurry
Be quiet.
Yeah.
How could he have the nerve to get up there with Slim and Glutton?
Oh, this is amazing. They're very good dancers.
Yes, their teamwork is excellent. And they have incredible form.
But we can only have one champion. This is going to be hard to decide.
What are you two dudes doing here?
We're here to catch you. Glutton, get him.
Right.
What? What are you dudes? Get my shit!
here to catch chickens and live our dreams!
Oh, hey, man, what are we supposed to do?
I don't know, I'm not very good in socially awkward situations.
A massive fight is broken out between Free Range and his partners right on the stage.
We're not his partners! We're here on our own!
How dare they! Free Range's dance has been ruined!
Have you decided?
Yeah.
Stop that!
This ain't none of your business!
Shut up! Huh? Listen to me. The champion of today's super show is Slim and Glutton.
Free Range, hurry it up!
Like, I can't believe it. Those weasels got the victory, man. Hey, what's so funny?
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't help it because the weasels won't be bothering us for some time.
Okay, here you go. Now all I need from you two is your signature right down here, and then me and you guys will be full partners.
Signed a contract?
Yeah,
For how many years is it for?
3 years. We're gonna make you superstars.
3 years? Are you kidding me? We still have chicken dreams. Oh!
You have no choice now. Sign right down here, okay?
We haven't had any chickens yet.
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛，热气就轰隆隆加马力，这是最冒险的 party。爱冒险的伙伴们来 happy， 我会手猛地抓住一道霹雳。 不管是在夏威夷或南极，我在哪里就有冒险 party， 深呼吸，躲开陷阱，一起踩着云朵在火上滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起胸，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
这是哪里？正待在鲸鱼肚